Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are making French toast in Treasure Kitchen. I hope you enjoy watching. Let's get started. To make this French toast, I'll be using this white bread which I'm trying to cut or slice here. The bread is so soft but yet tough, but I like to use it for toast bread. It is so nice. It tastes so great after toasting. Next, I'll add in 2 cracked eggs into a wide plate. You can use up to 3 eggs or 4 depending on the quantity of bread you are toasting. Here I'm toasting only 4 slices of bread. And then I will add a quarter cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, optional, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, sorry, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and some drop of vanilla essence. I'll whisk everything together. For a little spice, I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. I'll continue to mix, after which I'll set aside and go to the next step. Now to make the toast, add a little bit of oil into the pan, add some butter also, mix the two. You can use only oil and you can also use only butter. When it gets hot, then soak the bread into the mixture on both sides and add to the pan. Let it toast for about a minute or so on low heat and then flip to the other side. After about 2 minutes, our French toast is ready. You can do the extra by toasting it on all the corners and then take it out and continue to toast the rest of the bread like that until you are done. And here we have our delicious French toast. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give us a like and also share the video to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.